have seen plenty of YouTube videos with infinity black background. This is called infinity or infinite black background. It's complete black. So the subject will pop up, but the background goes complete black. And I really wanted to make this type of videos. Therefore, I took 2 complete days to do this setup and make the infinity black background. Hello everyone. If you are new to this channel, I am Saurabh Parajli. I did my PhD from University of Florida in molecular biology and genetics, and currently I am working as a scientist in US biotech company. So today I am going to focus on how I made this infinity black background, and I'll go in the details, and I hope this will help you to make black infinity background. If you are really interested, please watch this video till the end. If you have any comments or feedback, please let me know in the comment section. And also please let me know how this black background looks like to you. When I first saw YouTube videos with infinity black background, I really liked it and I really wanted to create it. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to break down how I made it in few steps. For last few weeks, I have been busy with my family and I was not able to make videos and upload in the YouTube. I am really sorry for that. And now I'm back to making videos. And to my all subscriber, thank you for your patience. I'm back and I'll be making videos weekly from now. First thing first, this background is very easy to create, but for me it took almost 2 days because I have a big window and big door in my room. And this is not a professional studio. Therefore, a lot of light comes from outside and I get hard time to get rid of those light. Therefore, one thing I do is I usually make videos during night so that I get very low light coming from outside. And then I have a key light in front of me and I have a hair light. I have a hair light on the top. So these two are my main light that will lit me up and the background goes black. I set up my background in 5 simple steps. So the first step, you have to find the background wall where you want to actually put your background. Second, you have to set up your background with the cloth and all the stands. And number 3, you have to set up your light. Number 4, you have to set up your camera conditions. And number 5, you have to film yourself and then do little bit of editing. You have to tweak the video because the corners are not clear. So now let's jump and see how we actually do it. Let's focus on step 1. Identify the background wall or your background. Before this, I used to shoot videos in this wall where there is no background, just a wall and few picture frames. But from now, I have decided to move to a different wall on this side and then make it as a background and start shooting the videos. Step number 2, let's set up the background. For making the background, I need 2 main stands which can slide up and down, and then I can set the height. And I also need the rods for the stands. And then I also need a black cloth that can absorb all the light for the background, and I bought this from Amazon. And then I need some clips so that I can tighten the background without any marks. Let's set up in the right corner. And then let's set up in the left corner. And now I'm going to install the top portion. And now I'm going to put the black color cloth as the background. And now I'm going to make the background tight and clear with multiple clips. The background is ready now. Step number 3, let's set up the light conditions. This video is being filmed at ISO 200. Light intensity is around 25% and the light is 5900K, and I have a headlight on the top which is lighting me on the left side, and zoom is 24 mm and focal length is 1.4. I think the background is lit up more, so there is a lot of light on the background, therefore I have to reduce the light intensity. And now this video is being filmed at ISO 200. Light intensity is 20% and light is around 5600K, and our zoom is 25 mm and focal length is f1.4, and the distance from the camera is 3 to 4 feet and distance from the background is 3 to 5 feet. And we can see the background is getting less light compared with the previous one, compared with the 25% intensity. Now I want to reduce the intensity a little bit more and see how the video looks like. Now we are filming this at ISO 200. Light intensity is 15% and light is 5600K and focal length is f1.4 and zoom is 25 mm, and the distance is same as previous. So this is like 3 feet, this is 4 feet, and this is like 3 to 5 feet from the background. I can see from the side. Okay. Step number 4. Let's optimize the camera conditions. This video is being filmed at ISO 320 and all the other parameters are similar to the last video. This video is being filmed at ISO 125 and the light is similar to the previous. The light intensity is 15% and the light is 5600K and our focal length is f1.4 and our zoom is 25 mm lens. I think this looks pretty dark, therefore I think I need to switch to ISO 200. I think after all the setup, this is going to be my ideal setup. Light intensity 20%, ISO 200, f1.4, zoom 25 mm and the distance from the camera 3 feet, distance from the background 3 feet. Let's see how it looks like if I move little back. So now the background is only 1 feet from me and my background looks pretty light up. Therefore, this is not an ideal setup. And now I'm at 3 feet from the background, 3 feet from the camera. Looks nice. My mic is around 2 feet. And now if I come closer, I'm lit up more. I have a lot of light in my face. So light is not set up for this distance. Therefore, I have to be like this. This is the perfect setup for filming my video. I have been filming all my video in black t-shirt. So let's try white t-shirt and see how it looks like. And then it works very well when I am 3 to 5 feet from the camera and 3 to 5 feet on the back from my background. So if I go near to the background, like I'm almost 1 feet or less than 1 feet from the background. Personally, I think I like the black t-shirt compared with the white one because the contrast is good. I like my t-shirt being blended with the background and my face is popping up. And number 5, let's do the filming and editing of the video. During filming, we have to make sure that the background is within the frame and the subject is at least 3 to 5 feet from the background so that it can pop up. After filming, we need to import the clip and then make sure that the clip is not visible. We need to zoom in and get the clip out of the scene. We need to make sure that our clip is changed to the specific mode as per the camera. So I have a preset for my Sony camera and other camera will be very different. And please let me know in the comment section how this background looks like and which setup you like the most. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in next video. And if you'd like to learn more about lighting, camera, sound and all the lighting condition in the room and the background and other setup, please let me know through comments and I'll try to make video on that specific topic. Thank you so much and I'll see you in next video.